obviously that talk is about Perl, particularly about mocking. So we are all writing code that looks like this, where we have function, and then when we are testing them, we are mocking them, usually by disabling warning and usually replacing the CV like this. But we could also play around with it by mocking it on wrapping the argument or updating them, mocking them differently, but the same problem. What happens if your code evolves to something like this, or something like this? You split it in two modules. Then, clearly, if you run your unit test, it's not going to do the original intent, and you're going to trigger your code, and you will have no warning, no notice. There is a solution to this. The solution is test mock module. Test mock module works with test more. It also works with test 2. By the way, test 2 provides test 2 mock and test 2 mock tools. Test mock modules work like this. You create a new object, test mock module, that will automatically load for you your module. You can redefine a function by providing your own CV, or if a CV is only returning a scalar, you can simply use the simpler syntax to set the scalar return value. That will automatically create a sub around it. Now, if you run the same unit test and you rename your function, it will simply croak saying that the function doesn't exist anymore and it will not trigger some unexpected behavior. So now, you could also use the original method that will allow you, while mocking the function, to wrap around it and play with it. So in that case, you just redefine, you set a function, and you can update the original function with some custom argument, for example. What we can see here is the object mock, when destroyed, will recover automatically the original function. So now the name is not Gene anymore. It became unknown the second the mock object is destroyed. But when you have that code, what happens if you refactor it to use, for example, a parent class, something like this? Then all my love for test module went away because it was useless, claiming that the function doesn't exist, whereas name exists but came from one of the parents. So there's a fix for this. The fix was pretty simple. It's only 4 or 5 lines, just checking if you could call that function using the ISAR inheritance tree. This is now released. This is available since v0.14. Thanks for Felipe Gasper to introduce require to test mock module, and Geoff Franks for maintaining it.